This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable email sounds on Thunderbird. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Thunderbird here. I have Thunderbird opened up now. To enable or disable email sounds, the sound that it makes whenever you get an email, to change that or to disable it or to enable it, you want to open up settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says settings and I'm going to click on settings. Now on the settings page, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to make sure you're on the general tab. And then on the center pane, you want to scroll down a ways, down to where you see the incoming mail section. And in the incoming mail section, right down here, play a sound. If you click on the play button, that's the sound that it makes when you get a new email. To turn that off, if you don't want that sound, you would just uncheck that box right there. But to enable it, you have the box checked. It'll make that sound. Down below that, it says default system sound. That's what that sound is, my default system sound for new mail. Down below that, use the following sound. You could toggle this on if you wanted a different sound. And then you would click on browse and find the sound that you want to use that's on your device. But to enable or disable the email sounds, it's this box right here. Thanks for watching.